So this is cool. This is a 120-year-old bulb. That's the color spectrum. So this is a 250-watt bulb from 1902. Interesting. So this is a 1902 argon gas bulb. And pretty cool with that gas. Look at that purple. And then look at that color spectrum. High in UV and infrared. I also forgot to mention you can just touch the bulb. There's no heat, it's cold. And then this is called the Aerolux bulb, which is neon. Look at that orange. And then there's the color spectrum. Pretty fascinating. Also with neon, you can just touch it. Nothing happens. And then I got one more neon bulb to show you, a little tiny one. Similar.
Right now, you are standing at the bottom of an ocean, not water, air. Scientists call it the Earth's atmosphere, and it's heavier than you think. The air above you presses down with a force called atmospheric pressure. Across your whole body, that pressure equals about 10 tons. That's roughly the weight of a large truck pressing on you right now. So why aren't you crushed? Because your body pushes back. Your lungs, blood, and cells create pressure inside you that balances the pressure outside. A perfect balance. But this invisible ocean does something even more important. It makes breathing possible. When you inhale, your chest expands and lowers the pressure in your lungs. Then the atmosphere gently pushes air into your body. Without that pressure, you couldn't breathe. So
the largest cemetery in the world, where the dead buried here far outnumber the populations of countries like Qatar and Norway, is the Wadi al-Salam cemetery in the city of Najaf, Iraq. This vast cemetery stretches over an enormous area and is considered one of the oldest and largest burial grounds in history, with millions of people buried there over many centuries. It is estimated that it contains around 6 to 8 million graves, and the number continues to grow, making it a silent underground city unlike any other in the world. This cemetery rivals entire countries in the number of graves, as its history dates back more than 1,400 years.